Hi, I'm John with WTI. Now, I have a dog that suffers from kind of itchy and rashy paws. I think she's a little bit allergic to grass. And so whenever we take her out for a walk or she plays in the backyard and she comes in, we always use this soothing balm for her paws. Now, it's by the Natural Dog Company, and it's really made as like a moisturizer and as a healer, something to really soothe her skin. So we find that it really works. You don't need a lot of it, which is nice. Just a little bit goes a long way. What I really like is that if you look at the back, it's made with organic cocoa butter, organic sweet almond oil, organic coconut oil. Everything is organic, and they're using natural things to really help soothe her paws. So it's awesome because she sometimes tends to lick a little bit after. We have to kind of distract her so she doesn't lick it away. But even if she does ingest a little bit of it, it's not going to make her sick. She has a really sensitive stomach, and she's never had any issues, even if she has licked a little bit of it after. So I know it's safe for her stomach. I know it's also healing and soothing for her skin. So normally she doesn't lick very much after it's inside her skin. Her skin is soothed, and she's good to go until the next time we go for a walk in the grass. So if your dog suffers from any kind of rash or any kind of injury, then I really hope that this soothing balm could help your dog. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.